Hello? How far now? I don't wait for you since.
Where you dey?
I did this junction here. Yes. I don't stay here for like 30 minutes now.
Okay. From that junction where you dey now, just waka go from small. As you go see one guy in the carry hand up now.
The man dey road dey wait. Anybody want see for road when he carry hand up?
Just follow the guy will carry you.
Okay. Which shirt him wear?
I know sabi the color of shirt wey him wear.
Okay, you don't know his shirt, but he carry hand up.
When you meet am, call me.
Alright, thank you. But which kind of work is this? These two people. Now which one? Two of them they raise up their hand. Whether na this guy or na this guy. I think that this one will do for my right, so this one will wear long sleeve. Nah. Hello? Yes, I don't see. I dey follow am. For where will they go? Come on, we know they reach where we they go. Where you come? For where we they go? Ha! This guy wahala go enter, so God. Where you? Come, wait. We don't dey waka now for 6 hours. We don't dey reach. Where will they go?
Hey. Do you know that Donald Trump is my pastor?
Hey! Donald Trump, your pastor?
Yes! For your information, Buhari is my cousin. Yes!
Wahala dey this country.
During the Biafran war, I was with Ojukwu.
No.
Live there.
No problem.
What are you talking?
Melly. Wait, who you say man meet? Madman, now you carry me go meet. We don dey waka for 6 hours. Like I said, Donald Trump na him pastor. Buhari na him cousin. Hey! Okay. No problem. A madman and one man go discuss.
Wait! I am not done with this conference. Buhari is coming to Calabar part 3. Wait! Come here!
Thank you very much for watching that Live Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any event with the number shown on your screen.